Welcome! Today, we are exploring incredible ancient technologies that defied history.
Let us count down the top 9 most mysterious discoveries. Number 9. The Roman Lycurgus cup, which changes color depending on the light. When lit from the front, this unique Roman chalice appears a striking jade green.
But shine light from behind it, and it instantly transforms into an intense ruby red.
How did ancient Roman craftsmen achieve this nanoscale trick over 1600 years ago? This isn't magic, it is actual nanotechnology, engineered thousands of years ago. Roman artisans ground gold and silver down to particles just 90 nanometers wide.
But glass isn't the only ancient marvel that rewrites our history books.
Depending on the direction of light, the color instantly shifts from green to red.
This is the exact same science we use in high-tech laboratories today. Number 8.
Legends speak of a mysterious, flexible glass invented during the Roman Empire.
An artisan brought a miraculous, unbreakable cup before the emperor himself.
But instead of rewarding him, the emperor feared it would devalue gold and silver.
To prove its worth, the craftsman threw the glass cup hard against the stone floor. Instead of shattering into pieces, the cup only suffered a small dent.
The inventor then took out a small hammer and easily hammered the dent out like metal. The inventor believed his brilliant creation would change the empire forever. But the Roman emperor saw this invention as a dangerous threat.
If gold and silver became worthless, the entire empire would collapse.
But the emperor wasn't amazed. He was absolutely terrified of what this meant.
If glass couldn't break, gold and silver would lose all of their value instantly.
So, the emperor forced a smile and asked a deceptively simple question.
Tell me, does it hold water?
But that wasn't the only ancient invention that left people completely baffled.
Imagine a weapon that could burn fiercely right on top of the water.
Now, let us dive deep into how they managed to achieve this incredible feat.
Ancient naval warfare changed forever with the introduction of a terrifying secret weapon. Known as Greek fire, this liquid flame could burn even on top of water.
Pouring water on it would only spread the chemical reaction further. So, what exactly was this terrifying ancient weapon known as Greek fire? It was a highly combustible liquid formula used extensively by the Byzantine Empire. But its exact composition was a state secret, completely lost to history. Historians believe it contained pine resin, quicklime, and other highly volatile chemical components. Moving to number 6 on our list of ancient mysteries.
Music, art, and innovation often advanced hand in hand through the golden ages of history.
For centuries, master craftsmen combined art and secret geometry to build acoustic perfection.
The resulting sound was so magnificent that modern science still struggles to fully replicate it.
Even with our most advanced equipment, some secrets of the past remain completely out of reach.
They unlocked secrets that modern luthiers are still trying to reverse engineer today.
Every curve, varnish layer, and wood density created an unparalleled resonance.
Owning one today is the historical equivalent of driving a multi-million-dollar supercar.
Instruments like these are so unbelievably rare that their prices reach into the tens of millions, to the point where modern billionaires trade them like ultimate high society status trophies.
But the secret behind this magic isn't sorcery. It is lost, master-level precision engineering.
Imagine a technology so advanced that everyone wanted to steal its secrets.
Number 5. The Antikythera mechanism, the world's oldest analog computer.
Discovered by sponge divers in 1901 inside an ancient Roman shipwreck.
Deep beneath the sea, divers uncovered a relic that challenged modern history.
Among the ruins lay a heavily corroded, mysterious gear-based device.
This single fragment would completely change our understanding of ancient engineering.
This ancient device actually predicted solar eclipses and tracking calendar years. It shows that ancient civilizations understood celestial movements far better than we think.
It was a mechanical computer built to sync the cosmos with human time.
How could ancient civilizations possess technology that seems completely out of their time?
It would be like finding a modern smartphone buried inside an ancient Egyptian tomb.
Or imagining a philosopher in ancient Greece managing records on a modern computer setup.
Legendary Damascus steel possessed a strength and sharpness that completely baffled their medieval enemies.
During the Crusades, Western knights clashed with Eastern warriors wielding these near-mythical blades.
The secret lay in a unique microscopic structure that wouldn't be understood for centuries. Legend says the legendary sharpness of these Damascus steel blades was unmatched in battle. It could slice a delicate silk handkerchief floating in mid-air with absolutely zero resistance. Yet, it was flexible enough to bend completely out of shape without breaking.
Upon release, the blade springs right back to perfectly straight without breaking.
Look closely at this incredible surface pattern. How did ancient smiths achieve this?
Ancient artisans folded and hammered unique, high-carbon Wootz steel crucibles repeatedly. Ancient smiths added unique organic materials during the smelting process to alter the steel. These legendary blades were traded extensively through the bustling markets of Damascus. Repeated forging and folding gave the weapons their unprecedented strength and flexibility. Deep in the jungles of Costa Rica lie hundreds of mysterious, perfectly round stone spheres.
These range in size from just a few centimeters to over 2 meters in diameter.
And the heaviest among them weigh a staggering 15 tons.
These massive stone spheres were discovered deep within the Dikis Delta, perfectly formed. Dozens of these perfectly round alignments sit exactly where ancient artisans placed them.
How could they achieve such near-perfect sphericity without any modern iron tools.
Some believe these stones held deep spiritual and tribal significance for ancient leaders.
But the real question is, how could they achieve such perfect mathematical roundness?
Using only smaller rocks as hammers, they meticulously pecked away at massive boulders.
But stone wasn't the only material ancient civilizations mastered beyond belief.
Deep within ancient landscapes, specialized resources were harvested for high-tech secrets. Take, for example, a weapon whose molecular structure baffled modern science for centuries. Across different eras, we find monumental masonry that defies simple explanations. Massive fortifications constructed with interlocking stones fitting together seamlessly without mortar.
Structures so perfectly engineered that even a knife blade cannot slide between them.
Imagine trying to fit massive stone blocks together perfectly without any gaps.
How did the ancient Incas achieve such staggering precision without modern tools?
Some theorists suggest they used giant mirrors to harness and focus the sun's heat.
But could simple solar rays really generate enough heat to deform solid mountain stones? Others suggest massive forest fires provided the immense, concentrated thermal energy needed to soften the rock.
However, standard wood campfires simply cannot reach the temperatures required to liquefy or mold massive megalithic stones.
These massive, zigzagging stone structures served a highly strategic defensive purpose for ancient empires. Take the fortress city of Cusco, designed specifically to guard the heart of their civilization.
Look at these perfectly fitted stone walls of Sacsayhuaman. Not even a piece of paper fits between them.